Example 3, identifying congruent arcs. Find the measures of the blue arcs. Are the arcs congruent? Well, let's look at the first circle here on the left. Notice that the measure of each central angle here is 45 degrees. So the measure of each blue arc must also be 45 degrees. So we can say yes, arc AB is congruent, to arc DC. Now let's take a look at the next one. Notice that we have two separate circles, but both circles have a central angle of 80, and those arcs are also 80 degrees. So we can say yes, PQ is congruent to RS. And notice I use my arc notation. And then last but not least, we have this circle inside another circle. And anytime you have a circle that's inside another circle and they share a center, those are called concurrent circles. So if this smaller circle has the center right here, and that angle here is 65, then the arc XY would also be 65. And then if the bigger circle has a central angle that's also 65, then its arc here would also be 65. So we can say yes, arc XY is congruent to arc ZW. So these are all three congruent because they all three have the same central angle measurement. So they all three have the same arc measurement.